Happy Thursday. How are you guys doing? Today we're gonna make this lovely salmon and rice dish with some veggies on the side. I'm gonna start off by creating my marinade with 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. I'm adding some lemon juice, maybe about 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and then I'm gonna go in with some olive oil and whatever seasoning you have. I'm using Creole seasoning and some garlic and herb seasoning. This doesn't need much because the jerk seasoning in itself is very powerful, so you don't need to add a lot of powdered seasoning when you're using it. All right, so we want to keep that jerk flavor, and we're making jerk barbecue. Here we go, nicely seasoned. I'm just gonna wrap it and place it in the fridge. It's time to cook. We have to get this lunch ready before baby wake up. So let's go. Of olive oil and a little butter. I'm cooking this for about 3 minutes on each side because I'm going to make a sauce and add it to the sauce for another couple minutes. So 3 minutes on each side is perfect. So I just removed the excess grease. I'm adding like a half teaspoon of some more jerk seasoning. We're going to go ahead and add our favorite barbecue sauce, whichever one you have. I have the Japanese barbecue sauce, and I'm adding some orange juice. I actually added the juice of the whole orange because I'm going to add another half. I added some honey, and we're just going to allow this to simmer for a minute. And I'm obviously not doing any measurement. The amount that you add all depending on the amount of sauce that you're making. I only have 2 pieces of salmon, so I don't need a lot of sauce. This is perfect to go with my rice and my veggies. So I'm gonna just add back the salmon in there and just make sure that the salmon stays in there for like a minute or two. I want the salmon to be nice and juicy. All right, so 2 minutes, 2 extra minutes, and it's perfect. Now for my mixed veggies, I have a mixture of broccoli, bok choy, carrots, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, onions, and we're gonna go ahead and add some garlic with a little olive oil. I'm just gonna stir fry it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna cover it for it to steam, just to soften the veggies a little bit, not too much, and then we're good to go. I added a pinch of powdered seasoning, and I'm going to add a little black pepper, and that's it. It doesn't need much. All these vegetables combined together is a nice combo, and it's a nice flavor. You just need a little taste, so you can either add powdered seasoning or a pinch of salt. And see there, just like that, lunch is ready. Let me tell you, this is such a quick dish. So if you want to pack lunch for work or you come home late from work and you want to make a quick dinner, this is just awesome. It's perfect and it is so delicious. It was so on point. And I know a lot of people don't like salmon, but I promise you, if you cook it this way, you are gonna come with a different story, because you have to know how to season it. It doesn't take a lot, but you have to know how to cook it as well, that it's
And this
still
tastes so
moist.
good. The steamed vegetable. Nice. Food can nice so.